The evolution of my low-cost farming free pallet shed. These are some 14-foot long pallets heat treated that I picked up from work that was being torn away. The first thing I did when I got these pallets to the farm, I built a square. And then I cut about a 4-foot long entrance in the front of the square. This is what we're looking at. This is the design. This is the setup. 4 pallet in a square, and then cut a 4-foot long in front of it so the goat could have an entrance and out into the shed. I have some leftovers on the side which I will be using as the roof and a little bit. So we are going to take a look at the evolution of the pallet shed. I tried 3 different models until I got to the last model that we will be seeing at the end of the video. Each model was designed due to specific necessities such as cost and materials. One of the first things I tried to do was build a rooftop made of 16-foot long by 4 feet wide cattle panel that I had laying around. So I went ahead and gave it a try. What I did, I took 2 16-foot long cattle panel and placed a tarp that I already had laying around, trying to make a roof to prevent rainwater from getting inside the pallet shed. That did not last long due to the goats climbing up top, jumping on top of it, making a big dent in the middle where rainwater would reside, and also making holes on top of the shed. Soon I realized I wanted to collect rainwater and that was not gonna work. So I laid 2 more pallets up top, made it flat, laid the tarp down and put some heavy pieces of wood and some scrap pallet that I had laying around. But that was not sufficient because I was not able to collect rainwater in the Florida wind. During the hurricane season was blowing everything away, no matter how heavy the weight up top was. Soon after that, I decided to save a little bit of money to get some roof panels, some metal roof panels at Home Depot in order to collect rainwater with a few IBC totes I had laying around, and that turned out to be a great idea. What we are looking at is inside the pallet shed. I divided into 2 sections to stop the goats from fighting each other, to go on either side in order to prevent fights. I also added a mineral feeder where I added minerals so the goat could easily have access to their minerals. And this is when I added some roof panels in order